Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn top 10 ETL testing tools essential for testing ETL workflows and data pipelines. These are very much essential for manual testers as well as developers. Let's see in a context why and when these tools are necessary. Your typical ETL or data pipeline looks like this. Data flows from source to target. This is source, this is staging environment, and this is the target environment. You need to access and inspect the data in databases, in files such as JSON or CSV or both, or PARQUET files. Then you need to validate the transformation logic and the external API contracts, if any. Then you need to validate the data in the target system when it is settled. Let's see these tools one by one and understand their necessity and usages. SQL Developer. This is a comprehensive database development and management tool to deal with Oracle databases, whether it is OLAP or OLTP environments. If you are not using Oracle databases, then you can skip this tool and go to the next section. DBeaver. This is a universal database tool based on a open source library, and this is used for executing SQL queries across various databases, not limited to Oracle but many other databases. DataGrip. This is a paired tool from JetBrains. This is very intuitive IDE for executing SQL with IntelliSense, which is called Intelligent Code Completion and Analysis. Insomnia. This is a powerful API client like Postman. This is based on a open source project, and this has got a huge community for any kind of queries and support. Jira. This is required when you find a defect or a bug. You have to track it, you have to report it to the development team for it to fix it. AKHQ and KafDrop. So these are two different tools. They're not same. Either one of them you should be able to download it from GitHub and start using it. This is especially used when you are using a data stream in your ETL pipeline, such as Apache Kafka. Microsoft Excel. This is very much useful to maintain your manual test scenarios, and you want to slice and dice some of your manual testing data. This is very much a handy tool. VSCode. It is a source code editor. It is used as IDE, but for analyzing log files and other text-based files, VSCode is very much handy for manual testers as well as developers. PyCharm. This is again a integrated development environment, but as a manual tester, if you are trying to develop a handy script for your some kind of testing scenario to validate it, this is a go-to tool. You must download it. It has got a community edition which is free. Swagger. This is an API documentation tool, but it gives you instant access to the API server where you can generate the request and execute it and see the response and inspect them and find bugs there. And finally, this is WinSCP or FileZilla. These are UI based product, But if you do not have access to these UI based tools, which is to deal with transferring files, you can use SCP for secure transfer of files via CLI, command line interface. Okay, sometimes the tools become overwhelming. So just to recap everything, I have put a post here which you can go through whenever this is a pre-post. It's available at insinayak.substack.com/10 manual testing tools for ETL testers. I'll leave the link in the description below. Have a go. So this is documented here. What is the tool and what is the benefits of using that tool and what is the alternative. Here, why it is essential, what is the benefit, and what is the alternative tool available if you do not have access to that particular tool. Everything here, it's numbered and nicely maintained, so you can bookmark this and have a look. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well as to this video, and follow me on GitHub also, github.com/Nirmal Chandra. Okay, thank you very much for watching.